myself out of the house.
And I get to crawl in the window. Shelby, that's a high window. I'm gonna start stacking chairs.
Just jump.
Oh. Is that as high as it goes?
Yeah.
I can't fit through.
Yes, you can.
My thighs hurt from last night's game.
I love you.
I can't get my leg up that high.
Do it. Do
What
it.
if the door was unlocked?
I would cry. Do it. Oh my gosh.
I'm not.
Do it.
Not this flexible.
You can do this.
Hold on, let me get the chair.
Should I get Hannah to lift you up?
No.
Okay. The lighting, I must say, is pretty awesome right
I don't
now.
care about the lighting.
Please don't fall. You can do it. You can do it. Oh gosh. Get that.
Don't make me laugh.
Get that hump back in there.
I'm gonna fall.
Then you're gonna have to make that sacrifice.
It's hard.
Yes! 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 I love you so much. You should be in gymnastics. Are you alive? Yes. Mission accomplished.